Hello everyone, welcome in our geography session by Deshmukh madam. For 12th, we discuss a chapter 2nd population part 2. In this chapter, we already discussed important components related with the population. There is a age structure, then sex ratio, then dividend, demographic dividend, and now we discuss the as well as retirement age is also discussed in last video. Now in this video we discuss literacy and education. Now what is mean by literacy? A person which is able to read, write and has the ability to arithmetic calculations with understanding is known as literate. The understanding is also important with reading and writing. So then the literacy rate of country in India, the literacy rate is count of a population above 7 years of age. This is a graph which is very important in our literacy studies or the education literacy development in the world, and the percentage of literacy related to with a male, female and average literacy rate is there. The orange color it shows the literacy, total literacy or common literacy related with the male and female. Then blue graph shows of male literacy and pink shows a female literacy. Now there is a variation in between the male literacy and female literacy in almost all graphs. Only first two graphs, Central Asia and Europe and Northern America, is same ratio of male female literacy rate is there. Otherwise the other graph shows a somewhere more or less almost less female literacy compared to male literacy in each graph. Now Central Asia shows the highest literacy, which is 100% literacy, male, female and total literacy. Europe and Northern American country have 99% literacy rate is there. All over the literacy rate is same, male and female. Then Eastern and Southeastern Asia, there is a female literacy rate is less than male literacy, and the average rate of literacy is 96 is there. Then Latin America and Caribbean islands, almost the part of North American region, Central America, there is the 90 is a female literacy, 94 is a male literacy, and this average literacy should be 92 is there. Then Northern Africa and Western Asia is there. Here is a very we can observe there is a variation in between male and female literacy rate. 74% is only the female literacy and 85 is a male literacy rate, and the average is 81. So this is a difference comparatively the American and European country and Central Asian. This difference is very high. Then Southern Asia, 72% average literacy is there, 80% male literacy and 63% only female literacy is there. There is also high variation in between the male and female literacy rate. We can think about the social structure in that region. Almost the customs and social structure is a backward in this region, Southern Asia, as well as Sub-Saharan Africa. There is also 57 female and 72 male literacy is there, and that's total literacy, that is a 65. Here is also traditional way, traditions and social system is again effect on this point or literacy rate. About the world literacy related with the female is a 83%, male literacy 90%, and the average literacy is 86%. With the help of this graph, we can conclude with the sum point, that is a Central Asia, Europe and North America, Eastern and Southeastern Asia have high literacy rate. These countries are highly developed. That's why the high literacy rate is there. The countries are developed in all sense, almost economical, social and cultural development is there, and that's why the literacy rate is also 100% or 99%. South Asia, Northern Africa and Western Asia have a low literacy rate. It is comparatively low than Central Asia and first group, and more than Sub-Saharan African region. Now the Sub-Saharan African region have lowest literacy rate because of the extreme climatic condition which is not support to economy. Almost the people are engaged in only primary activities, and that's why the social system is also never support to literacy and educate to develop the educational level, and that's why the Sub-Saharan Africa have a lowest literacy rate. Second, the physical condition, the desert is also one of the obstacle in the development of literacy, schools, colleges, and that's why this effect is there. Then female literacy rate is seen than female literacy rate is less than male literacy. This thing is equally we can observe in all types of all area except Central Asia and American Eastern and Southeastern Asia. Otherwise, the second group, third group is we can observe this change or this difference in between the male and female percentage of literacy. Without literacy, we cannot say that a region is educationally developed. That's why education and literacy both are commonly affect on the development. This due to the educational, if educational level is high, at that time the skill labor for the development, technical development, communication development is available within that region. Otherwise, such a region is a backward region, and only primary activities are developed within that, practice within that areas. So education and literacy both are effect on the social structure as well as economy of a country. Okay, now in next video we discuss the occupational structure. Thank you.